Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding Chainlink tokens in your Trust wallet and want to move them over to Bitrue for trading or staking, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're going to walk through this step-by-step process. It's simpler than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that you have some Chainlink tokens in it. You'll also need a verified account on Bitrue, the exchange we're sending to. If you don't have these set up, pause this video and get that sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Chainlink token. You'll see your balance right there. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw option. Now, head over to your Bitrue account on another device or in a browser. Go to the deposit section for Chainlink. Bitrue supports various networks like Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, so select the one that matches your Chainlink in Trust Wallet, probably Ethereum for most users. Once you've got the deposit address from Bitrue, copy it carefully. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address into the To field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Next, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. In 2025, fees might be lower with improved blockchain tech, but always confirm. Hit the Send or Withdraw button, and you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction. Review all the details one last time, then approve it with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once it's sent, you'll see a transaction ID. Now, the waiting game begins. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Head back to Bitrue and check your deposit history. Once it shows up, congrats, you've successfully withdrawn your Chainlink. A quick tip. Always use the same network for both wallets to prevent issues, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.